let me show you the fastest way of putting outline around your text in Photopea. Simply select the layer with the text and head for layer effects here. There is an effect called stroke. Click on that and now we can adjust the stroke. Make sure it's on. Change the size to make the stroke bigger. You can decide that it's outside, in the middle, or inside the text. Let's stick with the outside option. And the very important part, we can change the fill color. So we can decide on which color the stroke will be in. And we can actually now turn this color, solid color, into gradient or pattern. So we can have really interesting effect. If you got gradient as your stroke, you can have a really nice effect. And of course, we can change those colors inside the gradient. So I can have something like dark blue moving towards some kind of violet, and that would be my border, my stroke for this text. And if you don't need it anymore, it's very easy to switch the effect off from here, or you can always completely delete it by dragging to the bin as well. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.